Hi, girl. Whoops, I probably cut that off at the beginning. I was actually talking to this deer here, saying, hi, girl. She and one of these other two down here, the one on the right, I think, came in first. But I saw more over in the field, and here comes another. Come on, sweetie. Come on. See how this showdown turns out. Oh, she's just going to go on by. But why not when there's food other places and they know that. They know they don't have to fight about it. Not that that necessarily stops them. Whoops, now I lost where I am here. Well, there's some chasing going on already. As I said, even though that's a yearling there getting chased by. No, it's not. No, that is not a yearling. That is most assuredly not a yearling. That's gotta be Andre the giant fawn. It is. I mistake him for a yearling all the time because he's so big. It is most assuredly not a yearling. That is a little buck, Andre the giant fawn. Try and zoom in here, I'll probably lose focus. Hopefully I can see his little pedicles, I think. Oops. Hi, buddy. He used to be real skittish. He's getting a little more relaxed. Still throws that tail up at the slightest provocation. Not as much as he did. He's getting more relaxed. But he's so big, I often mistake him for a yearling. Been doing that since he had spots. And he's going to get booted out. I'm not sure who that is. Big Mama, maybe. A mature doe, at any rate. Go ahead, little one. Go ahead. Somebody right here. And that's as far out as I can go. Yeah, go on down there. There's nobody down there. You can have that all to yourself without having to fight with anybody. You won't have to fight nobody for it. There you go. Smart move. I'm going to let this run a while. I'm shooting horizontal. I'm going to try making a longer video. Nobody watches them, but I'm going to try it anyway. Just going to let it run. Andre right there, I think. Or is it? Yeah, it is. He has a very distinct way of walking, too. Very head held high and sort of marches. There are ways that I can tell him. It used to be the tail would be at least half up. He'd fly it at half mast most of the time. But he's getting a little more relaxed. That has to be his mom there. I couldn't imagine who else would let him eat there like that. Just gonna head down there and kick that yearling out. Hey, Andre. Are you getting more relaxed, buddy? Whoops. soon as I said it, nope, not so relaxed after all. Not sure who's down here. Somebody. I call them somebodies when they're at a distance. Over in the field, I'll say, I'll be seeing deer over there and say, there's some somebodies. There's a bunch of them somebodies. I'm goofy. But I enjoy me most of the time. Some of the time. Once in a while. Okay, honey. I just lit a cigarette. I know smoking's bad. Don't ever smoke. Smoking's bad. I need to quit. Oh no, I just noticed my battery's getting low. Go ahead. Go over to the fire ring, honey. It's all right. So just the 5 of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one down behind the spruce trees is 5. I don't see the twins or little boy or the other little male fawn. Old girl. The twins were here this morning. I didn't record them. They were actually over in the field. I saw a deer over there. Went over to the fence line to see if they would see what they would do. And the deer started walking toward me, a couple of them. I was surprised enough by that, but then I saw somebody pop up off to my right. The twins had been laying there right next to the fence. They knew I was there. Tiny and Tossy were laying there resting. I felt bad that I interrupted them. But they got up and started walking towards me while I was standing there right by the fence. So I came and got them some food. Got them some breakfast. What's the matter, darling? What's the matter? What's wrong? What's the matter? Did they eat all that food? I do see the food is mostly gone where I can see. Come over to the fire ring and I'll put some more over there, okay? Oh, boogers. Cut.